Sawasdee krab, and thank you for joining us for the evening edition of NBT World Brief on NBT and NBT World. Your Suraphan. The Thai Ministry of Foreign Affairs has dismissed reports from Cambodian media claiming Thailand agreed to compulsory conciliation under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, to resolve maritime disputes. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs Sihasak Phongkiet described these claims as rumors intended to create a negotiating advantage for Cambodia before upcoming discussions. He stressed that the administration will not enter into any process that puts the country at a disadvantage, noting that bilateral negotiations must be fully exhausted first before considering alternative mechanisms. The Foreign Minister explained that any discussions following the termination of the framework of the 2001 Memorandum of Understanding, commonly known as the MOU 44, must proceed according to UNCLOS procedures. He clarified that compulsory conciliation requires mutual consent from both nations and results in non-binding recommendations rather than mandatory rulings. Minister Sihasak characterized Cambodia's signaling of preferred outcomes as a common bargaining approach to gain leverage. He added that building trust is the primary requirement before substantive talks on border issues can take place. Regarding a preliminary meeting between Thai Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul and Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet, the Foreign Minister confirmed that no commitments were made. He reiterated that Thailand aims to restore relations on a balanced basis and called for good faith dialogue to reach a mutually acceptable solution. The government remains committed to protecting national interests while maintaining a peaceful relationship with its neighbor. According to the Prime Minister, the government's proposed 400 billion baht emergency loan decree is urgent, as action is required to alleviate public hardship and support the slowing economy. Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul's defense of the loan decree follows criticism from opposition figures regarding potential risks to fiscal discipline. The Premier noted that while opposition concerns are natural, the administration remains open to feedback based on political and economic experience. The Prime Minister then emphasized that the administration must prioritize accelerating public assistance to improve economic conditions as quickly as possible. These remarks were made in response to Democrat Party Deputy Leader Conch, who argued that the borrowing framework could weaken financial discipline. Prime Minister Anutin urged against comparing the current Thais Help Thais Plus initiative with the previous Thai Kem Kheng program to avoid political conflict. The Prime Minister maintained that both programs share the objective of fostering economic recovery. He concluded by asserting that the Thais Help Thais Plus program is designed to provide immediate relief for citizens while simultaneously stimulating national economic activity. Thai health authorities confirmed that no cases of Hantavirus transmission have been detected in the country, following international concerns linked to a cruise ship in the South Atlantic Ocean. Deputy Government Spokesperson Lalida Prudviwattana stated that the Ministry of Public Health is closely monitoring the situation after the World Health Organization reported an infection cluster. While the overall risk to the public remains low, surveillance measures have been intensified at international disease control checkpoints and within domestic monitoring systems. The virus is primarily spread by rodents through the inhalation of airborne particles contaminated with urine or droppings, especially in enclosed areas. Human-to-human transmission is considered extremely rare. Early symptoms are similar to influenza, and because there is no specific vaccine, medical care focuses on symptom management. The government has instructed the Department of Disease Control to strengthen screening for travelers from high-risk areas and to coordinate information sharing with airlines and ports. Public health facilities nationwide have been advised to increase screening for individuals with a history of rodent exposure. Authorities are urging the public to avoid contact with rodents and maintain proper sanitation in households to reduce breeding areas. When cleaning potentially contaminated spaces, officials recommend using disinfectant sprays instead of sweeping or vacuuming to prevent the virus from becoming airborne. The government continues to prepare response protocols in a bid to ensure public safety. The Public Relations Society of Thailand recently held the 26th Annual Silver Conch Honorary Awards ceremony for 2025, recognizing outstanding achievements in social communication. The event was presided over by Privy Councillor Air Chief Marshal Chalit Pukpasuk. In the individual category, the Society presented a Royal Honorary Award to Her Royal Highness Princess Ubonrat Rachakanya Siriwattana Pannawadi for Her Royal Highness's leadership of the To Be Number One project and her dedication to youth development. Among the individual recipients was Director General of the Public Relations Department, Sudritai Lertkasem, honored for her management of Royal Ceremony Communications and her role as chair of the Asia-Pacific Institute for Broadcasting Development General Conference 2024. In the organizational category, honors were granted to the Government Savings Bank and Khao Kieu Open Zoo. President of the Public Relations Society of Thailand, Aphinan Jantarangsi, stated that the organization remains committed to advancing professional standards through digital communication training. He emphasized the importance of helping Thai practitioners adapt to the rapidly evolving media landscape through creative initiatives. These efforts aim to strengthen the role of public relations in building a more informed and cohesive society. And that is it for our evening edition of NBT World Brief. For more stories, you can simply scan the QR code on your screen to access our full coverage across all media platforms. Until next time, สวัสดีครับ